Hey everyone, is ShareX screen recording not working on your Windows computer? Maybe the recording won't start, the capture window doesn't appear, or you're getting an error message. The good news is that most recording issues can be fixed with a few simple steps. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot ShareX screen recording. So let's get started. First, make sure ShareX has the required screen recording components installed. The first time you use screen recording, ShareX normally prompts you to download these files automatically. If that setup didn't complete successfully, screen recording may not work. Next, completely close ShareX and open it again. If the application is still running in the background, end the ShareX process from Task Manager before launching it one more time. Restarting the application can often resolve temporary recording issues. Now click the ShareX shortcut and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Running with administrator privileges can help if Windows is preventing screen capture from working correctly. Open the ShareX settings and review your screen recording configuration. Verify that the correct recording method is selected and that no custom settings are preventing the recording from starting. If you're unsure, try restoring the default recording settings. If the problem continues, update ShareX to the latest version. If you're already using the latest release, try uninstalling the application and installing a fresh copy from the official ShareX website or the Microsoft Store. This can replace any damaged program files. Finally, start a new screen recording and confirm that everything works correctly. Select a small recording area, record a few seconds, then stop the recording and play the saved video. If it works, your issue has been resolved. And that's how to fix ShareX screen recording when it's not working. In most cases, installing the recording components, checking your settings, or reinstalling the application solves the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.